welcome back to the second part of our Tehran walking tour. If you watched the first video, you already got a glimpse of this incredible city. But trust me, Tehran still has a lot more to show. As we continue our walk, you'll notice something interesting. Life here feels completely normal. People are going about their day, shops are open, traffic is moving, and the streets are full of energy. It's a reminder that beyond everything you hear in the news, real life continues in its own rhythm. Tehran is a city of contrasts. On one side, you'll see modern buildings, stylish cafes, and busy streets filled with young people. And just around the corner, you'll find traditional markets, old architecture, and a deep sense of history. Tehran blends modern life and tradition in a way that surprises most visitors. As we walk further, take a look around the small details, tell the real story, from street vendors selling snacks, to locals having conversations, to families out enjoying their day. This is the real Tehran, not headlines, not politics, just everyday life. You might also notice how diverse the atmosphere feels depending on the area. Some streets are calm and relaxed, while others are busy and full of movement. Long avenues like Valiasar Street stretch across the city, connecting different worlds within one place. And that's what makes this walking tour special. You're not just seeing landmarks, you're experiencing the heartbeat of the city. The sounds, the people, the vibe, everything together creates a picture that no news report can fully capture. As we continue this journey, keep watching closely. Sometimes the most ordinary moments are the most powerful. A smile, a conversation, or just the way people live their daily lives. So let's keep walking. There's still more of Tehran to explore.
خیلی جدی